Today's tutorial is going to help you get started using Haiku Deck. The first thing that you'll need to do is in the address bar, you're going to type in Haiku Deck and then hit enter. And then at the Google search, you're going to click on Haiku Deck, presentation software that inspires. That will take you to Haiku Deck, but before you can start making a new deck, you have to create an account. So go over here to the sign in button, and you're going to need to click get a new account at the bottom. Once you click that, you're going to be asked to enter your email and password. For your email, use your school email that starts with your S number, and for your password, use the same password that you use to log on to the computers here at school. Once you enter your email and password, it's going to ask you to again confirm your password, and you're going to click sign up. Since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my email and my password. And once you have your account and you're signed in, you can start making a new deck. The way that you do that is you're going to click on New Deck up here at the top. And the first thing that you need to do is select your slide type. So this over here is going to show you the different slide types that are available. For today, we're going to use this slide type that's going to have large text here and then a place to add some smaller text. So for today's assignment that we're working on, we're going to talk about the characteristics of life, and one of those is that the characteristics of life are made of cells. So I'm going to put that as my main characteristic, and then below here what I want you to do is to put a definition of that, an explanation, something really brief, something in your own words. The point of Haiku Deck is not to pile on a lot of information like you do on a PowerPoint or maybe even a Prezi, but to get the most important information recorded. So you'll type that in there, and then the second thing that you're going to want to do is to pick an image excuse me, that goes along with your slide. Now you can do that a couple of ways. One, you can type in something here, a phrase that you want to search under, or sometimes it will give you some suggestions down here like cells that you can click on, and it will bring up some choices for you based on the words that you've already typed on the slide. I actually want to do something other than just find a picture of some random cells. So I'm going to start thinking about, okay, what can I compare cells to? Well, cells are like the building blocks of the body. So I want to look for something like building blocks. So I can type in building blocks. I could do a search and see what pictures get pulled up that I have for that. And I could maybe use this picture as my background, because I could put down here the cells are the building blocks of the body, that everything's made up of cells, whatever I want for my explanation. The next choice over here is to choose a layout. So if I don't want my words in this particular spot of the slide, I can choose some of these other layouts and put them in a different place. I happen to like right there in the middle, so I'm going to keep that. Notice that it says saving up here at the top because it's going to save automatically for you, which is a great feature. I'm ready to move on to my next slide, so I come over here, click add slide, and I can add my next characteristic of a living thing. So that's just a real short tutorial on how to get started with Haiku Deck.